Want to know which foods boost your body and which ones destroy it? Let's break it down. The best food for your brain is salmon. Packed with omega-3s, it keeps your memory sharp and your focus unstoppable. But the worst food for your brain is sugary drinks. They cause brain fog and make you feel tired all the time. The best food for strong bones is spinach, full of calcium and vitamin K, keeping your skeleton strong. The worst food for your bones is soda. It actually pulls calcium from your bones and makes them weaker. The best anti-inflammatory food is turmeric. Curcumin fights inflammation and helps your body heal faster. But the worst food for inflammation is processed meats. They're loaded with chemicals that fuel pain and swelling. The best food for muscle growth is eggs, high in protein and packed with amino acids for strong muscles. The worst food for your muscles is fried foods. They cause inflammation, slow recovery, and drain your energy. And the best food for heart health is olive oil, rich in healthy fats that keep your heart beating strong. But the worst food for your heart is trans fats. Found in fast food, they clog arteries and increase heart disease risk. Want a stronger, healthier body? Stick with the best, ditch the worst. Click the link in bio for more health-boosting tips and the best supplements.